Good afternoon, students. I hope I am audible to you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon. Let's wait for few more students to join in, and then we'll begin the class. So, is this the usual strength in the rest of your classes? Or are there more students? Yes, Gurpreet, Amit.
मैम लास्ट लेक्चर में भी थोड़े ही बच्चे थे,
अच्छा, थोड़ी सी
4-5 ही थे मैम।
ओके, 4-5 ही थे। ऑल राइट। अभी आपने देखो घर से क्लास अटेंड करनी है, सो व्हाई इज दैट सो टफ? इंटरेस्ट नहीं बनता क्लास में? You might feel that this is not, counted anywhere, but this is also an important subject, right? So I was planning to take up something like a mock interview in this class of your mentorship and professional development. However, the strength is quite low for you for this BTech class. So, beta, then I'll start with you, right? So, who would like to go first? So, Amit, should we start with you? Okay, Gurpreet, would you like to go first?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I'll be asking you a question, right? And this is a question which might appear in one of your interviews as well. You may take 2 minutes to think over it and then you can answer. All right?
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है. So the question is, who has inspired you the most and how? I'll also type it in the chat in case there is any audio problem. So you take your 2 minutes, 3 minutes, alright, think over it and then you can answer. So I don't mind if you have, a pen or pencil at your end and a piece of paper to make your notes, right? This is just for your preparation whenever you face the real interview.
Ma'am, can I start?
So any of you, if you have Amit's number, ask him to join back the class.
मैम मैसेज कर देते हैं.
हाँ जी, message. And in case you have any of your other classmates' number, please ask them to join as well. Or ask them to at least inform me of the reason why they cannot attend the class. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Please do. Sushant, would you also like to know your question so that you can think over it and then answer? Yes, Sushant. Sushant, am I audible to you? Yes, Sushant, am I audible to you? Yes, Arvind, you are late to the class. So for the latecomers, we have just started with the class and I have given a question to Gurpreet. It is kind of a mock interview, right? So if you also want, I can give you the question. You can get 2 or 3 minutes to think over it and then you can answer. So Nikhil, may I tell you the question you are supposed to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And please don't be late for the class again. You are simply required to log in from the link we share. That should not be too tough, right? So, Nikhil, the
Yes, ma'am.
question for you is, how far do you think we are dependent on social media, right? And you also have to tell whether you can stay for a week without using any social media app or website. So the question is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, think over it and then you can answer. So Arvind, do you also want me to tell you the question? Yes, Arvind, am I audible to you? Arvind and Sushant, am I audible to you? So Gurpreet, are you ready to answer the question?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
All right, go ahead.
Ma'am, I am inspired from my uncle. He's an engineer in railways at the biggest post. He's retired now, but his juniors and even sometimes his senior call him to get the solution of some issues in the machines. He's very well in his own job. He's very well in with his skills. I am very much inspired from his, but I see him from my childhood till now. He's very well at his own work. That's why I'm inspired from
All right.
and choose
So,
this field.
right. So he even inspired you to choose this field, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you can, I just you spoke really well, and the even the content is quite good. You can work a little bit, slightly on your grammar. Then, for example, you can say that he is very well known in his field, right? And he contributed a lot, let's say in
Yes.
professional terms, and his subordinates as well as his colleagues and his seniors, they still look up to him, right? You can use these phrases, they still look up to him. They do solicit, ask for his advice even now, like you mentioned, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So Sushant, am I audible to you? Are you even in the class? Gurpreet, do you have Sushant's number?
Yes, ma'am. I heard.
Kindly call him up and ask him to be present in the class.
Okay, ma'am.
So Arvind, are you, may I give you the question next? Yes, Arvind. Am I audible? So Nikhil, are you ready to answer the question?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I asked you whether, what is your opinion about our dependence on social media and whether you can stay for a week without using social media, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, go ahead.
Ma'am, nowadays, as we know, we are almost fully dependent on social media. Social media is all the important and fastest way of spreading the news and important information all over the world, uh, easy through the internet. There was many social medias are active nowadays. People are using in the amount of thousands of people are using nowadays these apps. These apps are continuously updating and becoming better for the um, updating and becoming better for the welfare of the for better of the us. The social media also provide many kinds of things like the publicity, fame, and etc. Uh, some of the social medias are being controlling the world by
Very good
just
point.
spreading the news. Um, if I say I also can't live without social media for a week, as we know, our ancestors live without these apps, but nowadays these are essential to operate and get the news which are in fire nowadays. Thank you, ma'am.
Right. So you say that even you cannot survive without it. We are so dependent on it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that was a very good point from your side that yes, we are a lot of our, daily activities as well depend on social media. For example, we are using WhatsApp to get in touch with you, to share the class link or to share any resources which we might be using. Similarly, social media has, percolated every aspect of our existence. That yes, a very good example in that regard is how news spreads through social media. So social media has the power, whether we need to have access to the correct news, or whether it is doctored or changed, right? As we may say that whether it is somebody else's propaganda. So yes, you can even, talk and explain, let's say, how our political scenario, how our political existence is shaped by social media, how our relationships have changed, right? How we are connecting with each other. So even if we have to make plans for meeting each other physically, we do first talk virtually about where to meet, when to meet. And yes, it's hard to, imagine that our ancestors lived without this, without smartphones, and even without telephones for that matter, right? So Nikhil, you made some really good points and you spoke well and you elaborated well on those points as well. So Arvind, would you like to go next? So I really don't find any point of the class if only 2 students are going to respond. So these 2 are not the only students who have to appear for the interview, right? Gurpreet, do you have Arvind's number?
मैम मेरी सुशांत से मैम मैसेज पे बात हुई है मैम, उसने कहा कि उसका सब नेटवर्क इशू है और उसको आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
All right, yes, he informed me about the same as well. And what about the rest of your classmates, the ones who attended the last lecture? Give me their
मैम उनका नहीं
names.
पता मैम मुझे.
So you guys tell me, what else would you like me to discuss or work on? Right, I had thought of group discussions or even these mock interviews, since these will help you in your placements. Anything else you feel that we need to work on?
मैम मे बी मैम प्रेजेंटेशन पे मैम हमारे लुक्स वगैरह पे कि मैं कैसे मैम
Okay.
इंटरव्यू में अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन देनी चाहिए.
Right, your presentation skills. So yes, I think in the next class, we can go ahead with that I will ask you to make a presentation, right? And we'll see if here the platform allows us that you share that presentation and present it, right? Other than that, yes, I can have a brief class on your body language as well, about the correct way to approach the room, or how to greet your interviewees, how to sit, how to, answer the questions, even if you, let's say, don't know the answer, or if you are hesitating, you need time to think on. So yes, that is a good idea. We can have a very brief class on that. It would include all your presentation skills, how you speak, and how you present yourself, right? And also your body language, since body language is very important, right? So since we have a few more minutes to go, let me give you both another question. You can think on it and then you can answer. So question for you, Gurpreet. So Gurpreet, am I audible to you?
Yes ma'am, audible.
All right. So the question for you would be, if you are given a choice to invest in a very good smartphone or a good laptop, remember you can buy only one of these and own one of these, right? So if you have to own only a smartphone or a laptop, which one would you pick and why? I hope the question is clear.
Yes ma'am, I got it.
Yes, you may take your time, think over it, try to elaborate your answer, give me the reasons why you think so, right? Mention the pros and cons. So, Nikhil, are you ready for the question?
Yes, ma'am. Can you please repeat?
Oh, sure, I'll repeat your question first. So, question for you would be a movie which left an impact on you. right? So,
Okay, ma'am.
right, so take your time, think over it, and then whenever you're ready with your answer, you may let me know and try to be more elaborate about it, right?
Okay, ma'am.
So, Gurpreet or Nikhil, anybody ready with the answer?
I'm ready.
All right, Nikhil, go ahead.
Ma'am, the movie which had a great impact on me was ma'am KGF Chapter 1.
Right,
In that movie, they have shown that a single mother who has cancer after giving a birth to a child,
Right,
in a very small age, that son loses his mother. But before the death of his mother inspires his son with all the motivational things that her son become the greatest man in the becoming the greatest man in the history, that he fight for his own. Many times his mother told him not to fight with others in a group. You
right.
have to fight your fight alone. So that this was a movie which inspired me a lot.
All right. So it
Thank
was
you, ma'am.
this story of struggle, I believe, right? And
Yes, yes, ma'am.
how the words you can use here, I'll just add to the chat. These words will make your whatever you are sharing, it will make them better. That for the main actor or the main character of the movie, you can always use the word protagonist.
Protagonist.
Yes, right. So
Okay, ma'am.
protagonist means for
Yes, ma'am.
example, in case you want to mention this character who lost his mother, right? So you can say the protagonist loses his mother at a very young age, then he overcomes all odds, right? And he's alone in his fight, yet he remains undeterred. So this is just a very, it's a good, it is actually the technical word for the main actor or the main character of a story, right? So I hope this new
Yes,
word,
ma'am.
you can always mention this whenever you're talking about your favorite series or your favorite movie, right?
Of course, ma'am.
Other than that, you spoke really well. So let's hear from Gurpreet next. Gurpreet, are you ready to go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am, I love to choose a smartphone rather than a laptop because smartphone is easy to use, easy to charge, and even easy to carry anywhere. It provides almost all functions and facilities in a small screen, which a laptop has. It is ma'am, easy to portable, ma'am, and it's a recovery. Even it got damaged, it can be easily replaced
Repaired.
or
All right.
prepared in a small amount. On the other hand, a laptop is not easy to carry anywhere. It needs space. It needs more voltage to get charged and even space. That's why, ma'am, I like to choose a smartphone.
Right. So you believe that smartphone is more portable. You can easily carry it around. And certainly the battery lasts for a longer time as well. So don't you feel a laptop has better processing power than a smartphone?
But ma'am, due to ma'am in our yeah, मैम जैसे कि मैम आगे के टाइम में मैम एंड्रॉयड फोन्स में तो मैम और भी ज़्यादा फैसिलिटीज आ रही हैं.
Okay. So you feel that even the technology in Android phones or let's say smartphones is advancing at a good pace that they can easily replace laptops in the near future, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So that was a very interesting point. I had completely expected you to pick a laptop because that is what, common sense, my common sense would say that yes, laptop has more processing power and etc. etc. However, your choice and the way you justified it, it's quite good, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you spoke really well. So Arvind, am I still not audible to you? You're just part of the class, you're not even responding. All right, so students, since not students, Gurpreet and Nikhil, since you guys feel that yes, we need to work more on your presentation skills, on how you're supposed to face an interview. So in the next class, I will be preparing something of the sort. We will go step by step for what you are required to do in an interview, right? And we'll talk about how to dress up, how to sit, how to speak, how to greet, right? How to present yourself. So I'll prepare the lecture accordingly and I'll then share it with you guys as well. So this is all for today's class. I'll end the meeting here. However, before I go, please convey my message to your classmates that even though they do not have any credits for this subject, yet it is one of the most important subjects, right? You might get a good CGPA, but if you are not able to convey the same in an interview, then what good is your CGPA? Right? So do convey my message that they are supposed to attend this class as well. They should not be taking this lightly. And I'll see you in the next class and we'll be working on presentation skills and how to face an interview and the like. Alright, so thank you and see you tomorrow.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.